Welcome back. So this video is about how to watch the videos. So here is where you push play.
Hey, hi, so this is...
And you also can use the same button to push pause. This is rewind. This is fast forward. These are subtitles. Okay, and you can go over here to turn the captions off. Or if you want the captions on, here's the volume. Turn it up, turn it down. And this is speed. So if you want to slow the video down, you can use that button.
State of Wisconsin.
That's really slow. If you like to speed it up, you can go there to speed it up.
But now I currently live in the Midwest in Minnesota. I am married. I have one son.
And that's really fast. Regular speed is 1x. Here you can make it larger or smaller screen. Okay, so that's a quick tutorial on how to use the video or watch the videos.